It's a good reminder for me also to be reminded how excited it is to be a sculptor. Thor Larsen, and I came from Denmark to Florence in 2011, and that was after taking an education as a stonemason with the dream of doing beautiful figurative marble sculptures. And after finishing my education as a stonemason, I realized slowly that the amount of figurative sculptures in Denmark carved in marble was quite limited, and also that I, as a labor worker, as a stonemason, didn't have enough schooling in knowing how to do such a difficult and accurate work, but also just purely anatomical and figurative understanding of sculptures. It was not something that I have learned as a stonemason. So after working a few years in Denmark, mainly doing gravestones and monuments, I realized that I needed more education to be able to follow this dream and idea of carving stone, really. So I found Florence Academy of Art in 2011. I started at the school and graduated December 2013, I think it was. So I worked a few years in my studio here and got a few commissions, and decided that this is I probably want to stay here. There's a lot of also through Florence Academy. There's a lot of new students coming that is very excited about sculpture. It's a good reminder for me also to be reminded how excited it is to be a sculptor. There's a lot of inspiration also from colleagues. There's a few colleagues that has also left here from when I graduated in 2011. So I have a lot of friends and people that I can get inspired by, but also talk to about my work and also get a critique from if I needed to. And a lot of these things is just that kind of world of figurative sculptures and art in general in Denmark is not something that is so widely spread compared to here in Florence. So it's the right place for me, at least, to be able to create and keep getting better. And
when I first flew into Florence, we spent some time in Paris first.